What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Would you like to get paid PayPal money real fast? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some sites that pay PayPal money the same day real fast. Now, if you're interested in that, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you sites that pay PayPal money the same day real fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to offer you guys. Now, before I jump into this, please check in the description below. I have some free stuff I want to give you guys. So check that description, check in the description below and get those free stuff that'll help you make money online. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the sites that pay PayPal money real fast the same day. So let's grind and let's get it.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Bankroll Bucks. Now, I may have mentioned this site before in some of my other videos, but the reason I added this site to this video because I'm showing you sites that pay out the same day, and this is a good site to use to get paid in the same day through PayPal. So it says here top level referral earnings is 25%, monthly promos and bonuses, new offers added daily, offer walls, 30 plus daily surveys, verified PayPal check. And this is catered to countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, New Zealand. So this catered to a lot of countries and a lot of areas around the world. All right, let's go to one other area here. So again, if you haven't seen the site before, this site, you fill out surveys and that's how you get paid. So let's go to the frequently asked questions and learn a little bit more about this website. All right, let's go to daily surveys. So how do I complete daily surveys? Daily surveys are a great way to earn extra cash. However, they do take several minutes to complete. So if it takes very little time, or there is any mention of you not qualifying, they won't credit. So you have to qualify for some of these surveys that you take. In regards to daily surveys, you must qualify for the survey. If it does not go all the way to the thank you for completing our survey, you have just qualified to win whatever they offer, then you do not submit it, because unless you reach that page, it isn't going to approve. So what they're saying is when you do the survey, you'll find out if you're going to be approved for the survey to take it, because at the end of the survey, it'll say thanks for completing the survey, and then you'll get credit for completing that survey. All right, let's go to one other place here. Go back to frequently asked questions. And let's talk about withdrawals. So when you get paid through PayPal. So it says here, $1 minimum payments or verified accounts only PayPal. $5 minimum weekly payments via check, U.S. members only. So once you get that $1, you can cash out that same day. Now, to show you that they do cash out the same day, let's go to this other frequently asked question. When can I expect payment? All right. It says here payments are usually sent within 24 hours or sooner if admin is online. So the admin that approves the payment, when they're online, you get the money right away. So it does states here that you'll get the money real fast the same day. All right, so if you're interested in using this site to make some PayPal money, go to Bankroll Bucks. Now let me go to the next site. Okay, here's the next site. I'm at rewardingways.com. All right, this is another site where you do surveys, but they offer a few other things too. This is a very good site and they pay out real quick. So it states here, what makes Rewarding Ways the best? GPT, quick, friendly, efficient customer service, fast and unlimited payouts via PayPal, Payza, and Skrill. Instant PayPal available, large selection of paid surveys and free cash offers, generous rewards, referral program available paying a massive 25% referral earnings. So this is how it works. So complete paid surveys and cash offers, get paid for online work, visit daily to earn a steady online income. So it says here, our free paid survey and offer wall partners. We have teamed up with some of the best online survey providers such as Your Surveys, Tap Research, Say So Awards, Appgate, TrialPay, and many more to help you make money working online. You can get paid to complete trial offers, download free apps, as well as assessing our paid survey opportunities. So they offer a little bit more than just paid surveys. And here's the question you want to know the answer to, far as can you get paid fast? So it said get paid fast from the best paid survey site, access to hundreds of paid surveys daily, make money online and get paid the same day, usually in just few hours. Work from home, free to join, take part in cash contests. So this site is real good. That's why I saved this site for last, because it's better than Bankroll Bucks. Even though Bankroll Bucks is a real good site to use and to make money from it real quick too. So you see there's a review down here. Somebody left a review, said excellent. And it sounds like an excellent site to make some quick money. All right, let's go to one other place here. Payment proof. All right, as you can see down here, just on July the 30th, Mac 94 got paid $1.56. Broke No More 123, he got paid $7.17. So as I scroll down here, here's one a little bit more. I know the $1 and $2 and the $7 is not much money, but it can add up if you getting paid like that every day. Now here's one, Dream Sky 21. He got $23 instant PayPal money. So if you can make that $20 every day, and he might be getting that every hour, depends on the amount of surveys he's taking, or if he's doing cash offers or downloading apps. So this is a legit site, and you get paid real quick with PayPal. So if you're interested in this site, just go to rewardingways.com.
All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start making some money. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start doing those paid surveys and all the other simple tasks, and start making that cash. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the proposition I have for you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and leave a comment in all my future videos that's leading up to my 500 subscriber video. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $20 cash via PayPal. So if you're new, please subscribe and leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. So please, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. Guys, I wanted to get 50 likes in the last video. I didn't make it, but this video I want to make it to, let's get 25 likes. Can you do that for me? Because the more likes I get, the more my video will be searchable and will pop up on YouTube, and more people will be able to see the video, check out the video, and that means more subscribers, and that means money that I'm going to give to 2 lucky people, and that person could be you. So all you got to do is hit that like button for me, help me get my video out there, seen by more people. All right, also please leave that comment down below. If you have a question about this video, and what else, other thing I want you to do is put down where your country, where you live at. Because what I'm going to do while I'm doing my research for making money online opportunities, I want to make sure it covers your country. Because I know some people out there, they say, well, this website doesn't work in my country for us paying money out or whatever. So I want to help you guys. I want to find the right opportunity that will cater your country. So leave your country or where you live in the comments below. And please share this video everywhere on social media. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's the end of this video. Thanks again for the support. Keep supporting me, guys, and I will definitely return the favor with some free money. All right, I'm out of here. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
And get your grind on. And get your grind This is App Grind TV.